Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change currency display on Bybit. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Bybit app on your phone. Once you open it, you should have something like this on your main screen, which is the home launch app. Then you tap on your profile icon at the left top corner. You tap on it, then you tap on this gear button up here at the right top corner. Tap on the gear button, then from there you scroll down a little, then you tap on this option which is currency display, and once you tap on it, your currency display on your portfolio will definitely change. So from here you can select any form of cryptocurrency, any form of currency that you want it to be displayed on your portfolio. Like for example, now if I tap on this is actually for Egypt, and right here this is Nigerian currency, and the most by default on Bybit app is the USD, which is currently the dollar rate. So that is how to change currency display on Bybit. If you find the video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.